Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn binomial theorem together, step by step. The binomial theorem expands any power of a sum without multiplying it out by hand. We'll learn the formula, the general term, and how Pascal's triangle gives the coefficients. The theorem says a plus b to the n is the sum, as r runs from 0 to n, of NCR times a to the n minus r times b to the r. The NCR values are the binomial coefficients. Pascal's triangle builds the coefficients. Each number is the sum of the two above it. Row n gives exactly the coefficients for a plus b to the n. The general term, tr plus 1, equals ncr times a to the n minus r times b to the r. It lets you jump straight to any term, handy for finding a particular coefficient. Expand x plus 2 cubed. The coefficients from Pascal's triangle are 1, 3, 3, 1. Substituting gives x cubed plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 8. To find the x squared term in x plus 1 to the fifth, set 5 minus r equal to 2, so r is 3. The coefficient is 5c3, which is 10x giving 10x squared. To recap, the binomial theorem expands a plus b to the n using NCR coefficients. Pascal's triangle gives those coefficients, and the general term finds any single term directly. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.